This app's appears show you
How to create your Memoji on iPhone. So here's the new method to create a Memoji. First of all, you have to open the Message app, and you can simply open any random conversation, or you can tap on this Create New Message icon, and here tap on this plus icon, and here you have to search for Memoji, or you can tap on More. Here you will get Memoji. Just tap on Memoji. And now you can pick any Memoji from this suggested list. Or to create a brand new Memoji, scroll down to this left hand menu and tap on New Memoji or this plus icon. And first of all, you have to select your Memoji skin tone. And now you can select your face freckles. You can select your cheeks. You can select a beauty spot from here. Once done, tap on hairstyle. And you can select a hairstyle from this list. You can change hair color. Go to brows, and here you can select a different brows. That's how you'll be able to customize your Memoji. Once done, go to body section. You can change your Memoji body from here. Now all you have to do is just tap on done. And here we can see the Memoji has been successfully created. Now you can easily send these Memoji to your friends. This is how we can create Memoji on iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.